everybody, Dave Demangos here, and I have Danielle Wolter with Morrison Property Inspections on today. And I wanted to share Danielle with you because she's a serial entrepreneur, but her main focus now are property inspections. And she is a woman-owned business. This is a franchise. So welcome, Danielle. Thanks for being on.
Thanks so much, David. I appreciate you having me on. Well, David, I'm the owner and operator of Morrison Plus Property Inspections. Like you said, it is a woman-owned business. Basically, what I do is a day-to-day property inspection, like a lot of agents use. My specialty is actually working with first-time home buyers and making them feel comfortable through the home buying process. I'm also very good at thoroughly explaining all the issues that might come up during a home inspection so that everyone feels comfortable with the process. The inspections are very in-depth, very detailed. My reports are detailed. They have a lot of pictures, a lot of arrows pointing. That way it makes it perfectly clear to the client exactly what it is that they are getting themselves into, whether good, bad.
Are you doing, are roof inspections kind of included, or is that extra?
Yes. Roof that I can get on, I will get on. I also go under the house. I do all the crawl spaces I can fit in.
Oh.
And yes.
You're wearing a suit or not? I
do. I wear the suit. It gets muddy.
Wow. I used to do tankless water heaters and would be under the house. Man, that is a job that requires, actually, you have to be in pretty good shape. So
you do have to be in good shape. The gym is several times a week.
Nice. And you're doing how many inspections on average a week do you think you do?
I usually do between 5 and 8 inspections a week.
Nice. And so background, you've been around the real estate for a while, and I think you said you've kind of not flipped, but bought homes, rehabbed and rented, things like that. So you're very familiar with the workings of a home, obviously.
Yes, definitely. I've done a lot of real estate investing, a lot of rehabs. So I'm very familiar with how a home operates.
Nice. And so your work days are Monday to Friday?
I actually do Monday through Sunday.
Awesome. So if they want to reach out, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
The best way to get a hold of me, you can always just look up my name on Facebook, Danielle Wolter, or give me a call, 619-672-7951.
If it's your first inspection, reach out to me and I'll refer you to Danielle, and she'll give you a little incentive there. So awesome. Thanks for being on, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thank you, David.
All righty. Bye-bye.